Hey besties, in today's video, I'll be spilling the tea on exactly how to make decent money, decent income from the comfort of your home. Yes, these are ways to make money online with zero stress, and I'm gonna get right into today's business. In fact, you can get paid doing nothing. Yes, I'll also share ways to make money you didn't even consider before now, and you can play games online and get paid for it. So the first one on my list here is Twitch streaming. Yes, guys, Twitch lets gamers and other creators stream their content live. It's similar to having a YouTube channel, and you can make money by becoming a Twitch partner or a Twitch affiliate. And there are several ways to actually monetize your content on Twitch, which includes subscriptions and bits. Now, in case you're wondering, subscriptions, which are subs allow your viewers to pay a monthly fee to support your channel. Bits, on the other hand, they are virtual goods that viewers can purchase to show their support and share you on your content. It's like super chat. As a Twitch partner, you can also run ads on your stream and make money through sponsorship opportunities. You can also test websites and apps, and if you like being paid to take surveys, guess what? You can also enjoy earning money or rewards to test websites and apps. And instead of answering questions about specific products, you get to use websites and apps and provide your own feedback. It's similar to taking surveys, guys, and you can make good money from the comfort of your home. And it's also a fun way to get paid for your perspective. If you're interested, you can check out websites like usertesting.com, userpeak.com, and userlytics.com. And in addition to your computer, you're likely to also need a microphone to be able to participate. Now, another way to make money from the comfort of your home is to sell used items. Guys, yes, you heard me, you can sell used items. Yes, so besties, is your garage or your hallway closet overflowing with so much stuff? Maybe it's time to part with some of your old coats, your old toys, or even your kitchen appliances, because when you do that, you're able to free up space in your home, and you can also earn extra money. There are online websites like Facebook Marketplace, like nextdoor.com, like Craigslist, like Poshmark, like Mercari. Yes, you can reach a wide range of audience, and you find people who are interested in buying your own unwanted items. Yes, it might not even be necessary for you to mail the stuff that you want to sell. You can sign up on a local website where you can agree to meet the buyer in person. Another way to make money is to host on Airbnb. If you have a spare room in your house, you can consider listing it on Airbnb. You can decide whether you want to rent your space full-time, part-time, or when you're just, traveling, when you're away. Because while renting your space on Airbnb, it's considered a passive form of income. There's a little bit of work involved, like you have to prepare the space, ready to rent. It might include sprucing it up with new sheets, with new towels, and even maybe a fresh coat of paint. You might need to paint the room, yes, the walls of the room. And there's also the task of cleaning the space after your guests leave. You can do this yourself, or you can also pay a cleaner. For you to get started, you need to sign up as a host with Airbnb and post your listing. While signing up is free, Airbnb will collect a percentage of your nightly rate. Yeah, so prior to posting, it's a good idea to confirm if you're allowed to rent your space, and if you're part of a home owners association, there might be rules against it. So guys, I have a bonus tip for you. Yes, I'm going to be sharing 10 free websites where you can make money from the comfort of your home. So come with me, guys, let's go. But if you're new here and you have not introduced yourself yet, go ahead and do that right away. I'm going to be sharing the 10 tips, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. If you're new, introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and massive support. I see you. I see every single one of you, and I appreciate every one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. So guys, the 10 extra secret websites where you can make money are the first one on my list here is Atapo. Yes, have you heard of Atapo before? I'm sure you have not. Atapo is a user-friendly website where you can do surveys and get paid, yes, right from the comfort of your home. The second website on my list here is Bestmark. Yes, in case you're wondering, Bestmark is a mystery shopping website, and you can get a lot of mystery shopping gigs on this website. The next website on my list here is Fiverr. Yes, Fiverr is one of the largest freelance gig apps, yes, marketplaces that is also similar to Upwork. The next website on my list here is Rakuten. Rakuten is a great cashback shopping platform that helps, it works with thousands of stores. Yes, you can make good money with a Rakuten. The next website on my list is Prolific. Yes, Prolific is a website, and it's a top market research panel that pays its members members with cash. Yes, it's, you know, more like a survey website, but it's a market research panel. Yes. The next website on my list here is user testing. Now, user testing is a website that pays you to test websites and apps in your spare time. The next website on my list here is Shutterstock. On Shutterstock, you can actually sell your photos, yes, your stock photos and videos in exchange for money. Yes, so the next website on my list is Rumble. Guys, just like YouTube, Rumble is a YouTube alternative that creators can use to earn money. And yes, have you heard of Twitch? Yes, Twitch is a streaming platform where you can stream, you can live stream, and you can get paid. You can run ads on it. You can do all sorts of things. You can get paid, you know, to shout out companies or brands on Twitch. And you can also get paid while you are live streaming as a form of appreciation to you as a content creator on the platform. So yes, guys, there are so many ways to make money that you're probably not looking at. And on this channel, I spill the tea every single time on exactly how to make this happen. So guys, if you have a business, a small business, or you have a skill but you don't know where to find clients, or you don't know what to do, guys, I think it's high time you go on yelp.com. YELP. Let me tell you how Yelp is going to help you. Go on Yelp and register as a business. You know, tell them this kind of services that you offer and the kind of clients that you're looking for. You know, and guess what? You will, you know, you're most likely going to get a free ad that is pitched to you. Once they pitch to you that, are you interested? Please take on the offer. Yes, go ahead and let them run a free ad for you. Yes, they're going to run ads for you on Yelp. And when they do that, you're going to get a lot of phone calls, a lot of potential clients. Yes, and trust me, those clients are converting every day. Yes, so go on yelp.com and make sure that put the input your personal details, I mean your business details and your phone number, and they will start to reach out to you. If you want them to reach out to you via email, but of course phone is faster. Yes, so go on yelp.com and yes, get them to send leads. Yes, they do a lot of authentic lead generation to you, I'm telling you. So go ahead and do that today so that you're among the first, you're among the I'm telling you right now that it's still hot that they're offering this free ad for you. I'm very sure by the end of your ad cycle, you won't mind paying every month. Yes, right now I'm sold. I am sold. Yelp can take my money right now because honestly, I can guarantee you they're gonna, depending on what you sell, you can get up to 10,000% returns on investment. I know what I'm saying. You heard me right. 10,000% returns on investment. So please, you don't want to sleep on it. Go and run ads. I don't know about Facebook ads. I don't know about Instagram ads, but Yelp ads, I know a lot about it. Go ahead and sign up on yelp.com today. And yes, you're on your way. You'll be smiling to the bank every single day. And that is it for today, guys. If you have not introduced yourselves, yes, please go ahead and do that right away. You know what? Here on this channel, I'm spilling the tea. I'm putting you guys on the game. I'm not I'm not hoarding information here. So make sure that you share this video with your friends. Introduce yourselves in case you have not. Where are you watching from? What do you do for a living? How did you find my video? Let me know in the comments. And please, if you have not joined my Telegram group yet, go ahead and join my Telegram group. I'm running a giveaway, so please go ahead and add 50 of your friends, yes, to the Telegram group, and then you are going to win my $100. Yes, I'm gonna credit you with $100 anywhere in the world. I'm gonna give you this money if you are selected for this golden opportunity. And that is it for today, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and come back to this video and watch my previous videos so that you can take advantage of all the opportunities that I've been sharing on my channel. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.